Hi, let's unboxing an extreme high current drivers. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have inside this box. Let's get this one. It's the biggest here. Let's see. Wow, it's huge. See the size of this heat sink. This is BTS7996B motor driver module. As advised for the driver, always buy in pairs. In case you kill one of them, we will not be waiting for the postman. The shield is a little pricey, but the construction is very robust. The datasheet, a high current PN half bridge. This is the page I'm preparing for you. It is a very beautiful component. Is not it? Just fine. The next one. This one from SparkFun. Yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, SparkFun Monster Motor Shield. It is for extreme high current demand application. It is a lovely bright red board from SparkFun. There you go, double VNH2SP30. And here is the page, 60 volts at 30 amperes peak. And here you will get all the documentation, schematic, Eagle files, datasheet, and codes, examples. All right. The next one. See? Two of them. This one, it is in LEDs. Let's see inside. Yeah, this is high density new pixel. This must be modular. This is how they name it here in Brazil. Basic SS2812B. Here is SparkFun page SMD LED RGB. The datasheet, intelligent control LED integrated light source. And this is the hookup guide waiting for you to learn. All right. The next one. This one, it is a ship, a bear IC This is, oh yeah, TC44 20 power MOSFET driver. And here it is. It's for 18 volts at 6 ampere peak. And the last, and the last one, it is a collection of burns. Burn, KRE. And what is it for? To place right here on this board. And there you have it. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 Channel. Really do appreciate every friend, viewers, subscribe, and especially you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.